Hi guys. I just got done going live, but my phone ran out of memory. And I was really looking forward to using my tripod here. Why do I always get rejects? I am in Alice in Wonderland. Woohoo! And I'll tell you what, if this thing shows anything like my cell phone did, you're going to be in for one hell of a surprise. I'm going to tell you that right now. So I'm going to start. I want this thing to click. Click, click, click. Okay. I didn't even see this on the way in, so. This place is screaming with action. I can't wait to see what this thing sees. I mean, I didn't even walk in 2 feet. And, yeah. There was a wait about here. Somewhere. Uh-oh. Hi. Hello. See, they all know I'm here now, and they're all out in drones, or whatever the word is, droves. I haven't been here in a long time, but there was a huge celestial looking being, like right here, you know, way in the back. But at least I have a tripod. Now this look right here is definitely, this has got little people written all over it. Hi there, sweethearts. Hello. There's a little tiny little, well, it was a bird. Still is, I guess, but it changed already. There they are. What kind of contraption is that? Huh? Oh, look at the little baby right there. Right there. People coming. These guys would be so bored after this pandemic, you know. Just like any other kid. I mean, these babies get bad too, you know. They misbehave. Whoa, look at him. Hi. Uh-oh, it's moving. Something's moving then. It's weird. Hello? Oh my God, shut up. Now the telemarketers or whatever are using like regular phone numbers instead of like 800 numbers. Did you guys notice that? Wow, look at this thing. Look at this structure. It's crazy cool. See how perfect the sticks are. I mean, they're just, you know, way too perfect. That's how I can tell it's little people. Because they got OCD really bad. There it is again, Sam. That's all I'm going to say. Play it again, Sam. Who we got this time? Oh, I can see it. Oh my god, it's an airplane. I can't float. Jeez. You know what I mean? Tripods. What did I just see? Oh, up here. What do we got there? Something right there. Does that like stop dead right there? It does. Oh, and that's a perfect dimensional tree, except it's not the right color. I mean, a galactical tree. Only because of the way it's cut. I'm gonna take it back. You see, it's splitting. It's come, it's come down here. Whoa. Oh, it already has. It already started. Right here. It comes up. You can see it's actually a dimensional line, too, right here. This is odd. I don't normally have a loss for words, but I find this quite strange. Here's a portal right here. The horizontals. Okay, now there's a perfect tree. Now that looks to me like some kind of ancient writing. You know what I mean? That belongs on a city wall. Like a Sumerian or a Mayan civilization. Look at this. This is what I'm talking about. This is what they want me to see. And I don't know why they think that I know what to do with it, but this whole thing. Let me just try to take it from the top all the way down slowly. I mean, it's perfect. It's beautiful, guys. This tree is just perfect. Look at all the phases coming out of it. Oh, something's moving. What do we got there? I can't believe how perfect this tree is. I mean, look at it. My God. And the weird thing is, this is, 3 minutes from my house. Right here. I was seeing something right there. And who's behind there? Look at this. And then you got another little portal going. Look, and then you got your X right here. And here's the doorway. And who we got there? Hi. A little family coming in. Oh, no, a bigger family. Little white extraterrestrials, I guess. And doorways down here, too. Look at them all. You guys are just coming in all over the place, aren't ya? You want to be seen on TV? Look how little that one, look how little that is. Oh my God, that one green face. That's hysterical. Okay, enough attention on you guys. Again, we got, Jesus, another huge, and then it goes to here. And look, oh my God, and they're meeting right in the middle. Wow, let's back up a little bit. Holy crap. This won't click for some reason. Just because tripods hate me, that's why. Maybe I turn it the other way, hold on. So I can control the bad leg. Okay. That's amazing. So it goes from over here. To the side of this thing. Goes over there and goes all the way up and around. And you got another one coming in this way. And they're like, and another one right here. You got a doorway right here, right there. Then you got a portal coming in right there. Up here. Right there's a door. There's a portal. Oh, no, that's a huge door. Massive. Oh, you know what? We could probably see right in. It's so big. There's that. Okay, there's a celestial guy I saw, but on a phone, it looks so cartoony. I gotta get a picture of that. Look at this. See who's coming in. That's it behind the door. Oh, or who's already here. That's my tripod slipping. Huh. These little people. Wow. There's so many dimensions back. I mean, I can see all the way back. I don't know what's going on. They're just everywhere. I haven't even gotten in the freaking doorway yet. You know what I mean? Literally. Alright, well, I'm going to get this on the way back because I have something very interesting that we need to see on camcorder. Okay, I'll get you on the way out. Yeah, I will. Okay. They are screaming for attention. They're just as bored as everyone else. Hi. Okay. This is very important now. This is like an entire, I don't know what you call it. It actually starts right here with, starts right here. And this is the back side. And you got, again, portal after portal after portal. Coming down, going up, coming in. Here's your lines. So perfect. That, there's somebody. Oh, I'm sorry. I didn't mean to point at you, sweetie. And the color, when I first got here it was gray when I went live, and then when I was leaving it was green, which means they came in all that much closer. Oh, even back here. What happened to him? You see ghosts? Alright, stop deviating though. I lose light like I always do. But I do want to get a picture of this though. I don't know why. But they're writing things on the trees, and especially the rocks. Now, like I said, I'm like 2 minutes or 3 minutes from my house. So if there is something underground, like I believe that there is, it would definitely expand to this area as well. And look at all these coming in here. I got here. This is the back side of this. Hi. Oh, you came out. Hello. So what I want to show you. Look over here. Look. There. That's nothing. Sorry. Who are you supposed to be? Who are you supposed to be, honey? Who? Oh, look at the babies. They're always distracting with the babies. Little baby birds. Oh my gosh. Dimensional birds. And a little squash. It won't clear up. Something's moving. They're moving fast. Come on, clear up. Okay, gotta get to the front of this quickly. Hi. You guys getting ready to close me in, aren't you? They got this. I don't remember seeing this stick here before, but earlier it was very apparent to me that they were surrounding me completely. So I want to do this quickly. I don't remember this either. What the heck? I was just here. Okay, you gotta see it from this side. These look like rocks were turned there. Where are you? Okay, here's the lake. Oh, it's perfect time. Okay, but you weren't here either. Hi. Okay, where was I? Right here. Right here. I saw this, which starts all the way over there, where we just came from. I'll show you in a minute. Now we have all these different colored looking trees, okay? It's very important. That tree is a dimensional tree right there. The white straight one. Right, we'll start here. Okay. Wow, look at this. Hi. Look, there's another portal right there. After the portal, you can tell that there's a dimensional line. You can tell that one side does not belong with the other. I'm sorry, this thing has a broken leg or something. I always get the retarded ones. Oh, what's this now? Alright, before I do anything, what I need to show you is this. This is what got me right away, because it's not going to make any sense until I show you this. Where did I go in? Oh, right here. Okay. I think. It's a little bit bigger now than I thought. Okay, you have this tree, okay? It's making a clear square. It goes over here, and you have this black tree coming down this way. And then you got back here too, which is its own. It's all connected though. But whenever I see squares like that, I think, you know, nursery. Always. What the hell was that? Did you hear that? Okay. Oh, look at the bird. Looking thing. Look at that tree. Yeah, right. Hi, gorgeous. Look at yous. And you. Trying to get a picture. Okay. This is a good spot right here. Hard. See, those are all the little, like the twigs of the little people's setup, I guess we'll call it. Wherever there's big civilization, there's a small one or a craft or anything like that. There's always like an identical one right next to it. Look at them coming out of the ground. For a minute, tripod. Oh, hi there. Hi there, little guys. Do you see the static? There is a lot of static. I mean, I can see it in the footage. That is very odd. Very odd. I don't think I've ever seen that before. Now look how much they've changed already. These guys. Now he's looking right at me. Hi. And there's somebody coming in right there.